You are welcomed in another new video. My name is Zuhair Khan. Today we will talk about the solution of hang mobile. If your mobile is from Vivo company, then you have come to the right video. I will tell you its solution. If you watch this video till the end, then you will not need to watch any uh, another video. First to of all, let me tell you that when our mobile hangs, so the switch off button does not work with our screen either. And if you are able to switch off our mobile, then the screen turns on. So now let me tell you how to fix the screen. You have to press the volume button and switch off button of the mobile together, and your mobile will be switched off. You have to subscribe the channel after it is switched off. Thank you.